In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit crypto to your Coinbase wallet, focusing on popular cryptocurrencies like ETH, BTC, SOL, and USDC. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or just need a quick refresher, this guide is for you. First things first, to begin, you'll need to open your Coinbase application. Make sure you're on the latest version to avoid any hiccups. Once you've logged in, the next step involves heading over to your wallet section within the app. This is usually easy to find on the main screen of the app. As you navigate to your wallet, you'll want to look at the bottom center of the screen where you'll notice the familiar up and down arrows icon. Give it a tap and this will reveal various options. Among those, you'll be able to see the receive button. This is what we're aiming for right now since we're looking to deposit some crypto into our wallet. Now it's time to select which cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Coinbase offers a good range of cryptocurrencies, so pick the one you have available to send from another wallet or exchange. For instance, if you're adding Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, or USD coin, simply choose it from the list displayed. Your choice here is crucial as each cryptocurrency has a unique address. After selecting your desired coin, notice how you are provided with a wallet address tailor-made for that specific cryptocurrency. This address ensures your funds don't end up in the wrong place, so double check it to avoid any errors. For your convenience, you can either copy this address to your clipboard or opt for the more straightforward method by scanning the QR code provided. Many find the QR code option easier and less error prone, especially when using mobile devices. With your copied wallet address or scanned QR code, head over to the wallet or exchange where your crypto is currently stored. This could be any popular platform such as Binance, where you hold your funds. Here you need to initiate a transfer of the crypto to the wallet address you've just obtained from Coinbase. When entering the address, it's vital to ensure no mistakes are made. One incorrect character can result in the loss of funds, so always double check. Once the transfer is initiated, patience becomes key. Cryptocurrency transactions require network confirmations, and it may take a little time depending on network congestion and the type of cryptocurrency. While waiting, you can refresh your wallet interface periodically to check for updates. And there you have it. Once confirmed, your cryptocurrencies will be safely deposited into your Coinbase wallet, readily available for whatever you plan to do next. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you're encountering any issues, remember to reach out to Coinbase's customer support for prompt assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day exploring the world of cryptocurrency.